Hello and welcome to PharmaHealth Insights with Rajesh. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're kicking off the first of many episodes in an exciting new series. Over the coming weeks, I'll be taking you on a journey through the key sections of 21 CFR, the regulatory cornerstone for the pharma and healthcare industries. In this inaugural episode, I'll start with a brief overview of 21 CFR, what it is, why it's important, and how it impacts everything from drug manufacturing to medical devices. Whether you are a pharmacy student, a healthcare professional, or just curious about the regulations behind the medicines and products we trust, this series is for you. So, what exactly is 21 CFR? It's a set of regulations issued by the USFDA that governs food, drugs, cosmetics, medical devices, and more. It's divided into several parts, each focusing on specific areas to ensure safety, efficacy, and quality. Let me give you a quick overview of the major sections. General provisions, Parts 1 to 99, these include the foundational rules, like enforcement policies and electronic records compliance, famously known as 21 CFR Part 11. Food regulations, Parts 100 to 199. This section ensures food safety and proper labeling. For example, Part 117 focuses on hazard analysis and preventive controls. Drug regulations, Parts 200 to 299. The heart of pharmaceutical compliance, with Part 211 outlining good manufacturing practices and Part 312 dealing with investigational new drugs. Medical devices, Parts 800 to 899. This section covers everything from device registration, Part 807, to quality systems, Part 820. Biologics, Parts 600 to 699. Vital for blood products, vaccines, and other biologics, ensuring rigorous standards for safety and efficacy. Tobacco products, Parts 1100 to 1199, newer editions, focusing on tobacco regulation and user fees. Why is 21 CFR so important? It's not just about regulatory compliance, it's about protecting lives. For instance, CGMP guidelines in Part 211 ensure that medicines are manufactured consistently and meet quality standards. Food safety rules prevent contamination and outbreaks. Device regulations ensure that products like pacemakers are reliable and safe. Understanding 21 CFR is crucial for anyone in the healthcare, pharma, or related industries. It ensures that products we consume or rely on are safe and effective. If you're a pharmacy student, healthcare worker, or industry professional, mastering this regulation is a game changer for your career. And that wraps up our brief overview of 21 CFR. I hope this gave you a solid foundation for understanding how these regulations shape the pharmaceutical and healthcare industries. But this is just the beginning. In the next episode, I'll dive into the general provisions of 21 CFR, including key topics like enforcement policies and the famous Part 11 on electronic records and signatures. It's a must-know for anyone navigating the world of pharma compliance. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pharma Health Insights with Rajesh. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. Until then, stay informed and stay inspired. See you in the next episode.